Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Unlock your smartwatch's full potential with the essential Hryfine 2025 app. This dedicated application provides seamless connectivity and integrates all the core features for your device, ensuring peak performance. Forget about complicated, outdated setup methods. Hryfine 2025 is now the definitive and only way to truly connect and manage your watch for a smooth, intuitive experience. It makes everything incredibly simple. To begin, easily download the Hryfine 2025 app from your phone's official app store, whether it's the App Store or Google Play. Before starting, always ensure your smartwatch is fully charged and powered on, ready for connection. Once downloaded, simply open the app and follow the clear, intuitive on-screen prompts. Connecting your watch has never been this straightforward. It's truly a process designed for everyone. With Hryfine 2025, you gain immediate access to comprehensive health metrics, from precise heart rate monitoring to accurate step counts, all clearly displayed. You can also fully personalize your smartwatch experience by easily customizing watch faces and fine-tuning notification settings to your preference. Plus, efficiently manage your daily routine by setting alarms and activating sedentary reminders right from within the application. Ensuring your well-being is always a priority. To truly optimize your smartwatch's battery life, easily adjust screen brightness and selectively disable any notifications you don't immediately need, extending its power. It's also important to regularly check the Hryfine 2025 app for crucial firmware updates. These updates often bring new features and essential performance improvements. Finally, always keep your smartwatch clean and dry, as proper care greatly contributes to its longevity and ensures peak performance for years to come. The Hryfine 2025 app is truly at the forefront, continually evolving with updates that consistently enhance your smartwatch experience and introduce exciting new functionalities. We encourage you to join our growing community online for valuable tips, direct support, and engaging discussions on how to truly maximize your device's potential. Embrace this unified, streamlined approach for effortless smartwatch management, paving the way for a more connected and smarter daily life. You're set for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.